no way this is real. There's no way I'm waking up and going into my Z06, bro. What's up, guys? They watching another video. We are hopping into my Corvette Z06. This is crazy. I appreciate all the love and support on the last video. You guys loved the car. A lot of you guys already guessed what it was. You guys knew it was a Corvette Z06. I've been talking about it for so long. But yeah, we finally got it and I'm so excited to build this thing. If you guys didn't watch the last video, well, there's a surprise. I got a Corvette Z06. It's manual, of course. It's red, of course. FindingNick spec. The seats are literally brand new. The interior looks mint. This car is beautiful, bro. It's perfect. I'm so freaking happy. Today is actually Mother's Day. We're gonna go to my parents' house. And it seems like every time I go to my family's like gatherings, I always pull up with the new car. I wonder what my family really thinks. They probably think I'm crazy, to be honest. Like, why does one person need 4 cars? We're gonna show my whole family the Corvette. I really wanna show my dad. My dad loves Corvettes. He's always loved Corvettes. And I've always said that one day I will buy my dad a Corvette. One day I will, bro. We're gonna have matching Corvettes. Or I'll get him the C8 or something. That's the goal. But he loves Corvettes, so I'm very, very excited to show him the car. I also wanna show my mom. She's scared of every car, but I think this car should be the least scared in. It's not that fast, and it's very quiet. I feel like every time I give my mom a ride in one of my cars, she's super scared because it's so loud and all my cars pop and shoot flames. So of course she's gonna be scared of those cars, but this car is very quiet right now, stock exhaust. I don't think she'll be very scared of this car. Imagine when this thing is cammed, bro. We gotta get my mom's reaction to that. The whole car shaking. I cannot wait to cam it. You guys don't understand. I don't even want to drive it stock. I want to just cam it literally today. Josephine just said she likes this way better than the CS.
I sure did say that.
It's a better car than the CS?
Yeah. The seats are more comfortable. It's brighter. The windshield's not cracked. The AC feels better. It looks newer. You guys like it better.
The CS is a race car. That's what I think. It's just like a roll cage track car.
Dark in there.
Bro, who is this? It's a yellow G80. Bro, that thing looks so good. I literally don't know who that is, but that might be one of the sickest G80s I've ever seen. He got BBSs, I think. Oh my God, E88? Dude, that is so clean. I'm pretty sure that's paint too, the car yellow, which is super rare, bro. You like that color? That's nice, I'm not gonna lie.
Guys, it looks like Easter.
Of course, we gotta show my brother-in-law. What do you think? Something completely different, huh?
American.
I know, American muscle.
Oh, it's manual.
You look like you drive this more than I do.
What year is it?
I
know.
2007. The guy never drove it.
This is beautiful.
It's so nice, huh?
Where'd you find this at?
One of my homies sold it. But he found this one in Arizona, and an old guy owned it. He's like, bro, I found the perfect car for you. He showed me it. I was like, bro, I have to get it. It's stock.
I love these old Z06s.
I know, me too.
It looks clean.
And then when I'm gonna do like the cams on and everything.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
like,
It's gonna be popping like crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
Is it all stock right now?
It's completely stock.
That's nice. You could put your own touch on it. It's like wide body little flares.
It is. It has literally wide body freaking flares. Needs a freaking exhaust ASAP. It's completely stock. It's like an old man car right now, but we gotta make it. We gotta make it cool.
Make it nice.
The old guy's probably gonna be sad that I'm modding it. He probably wanted to keep it stock.
Dude, the first when I bought my Laguna Seca Blue M3, he was like, "You're gonna keep it stock, right?" I was like, "Oh yeah, I'm not gonna mod it." And then like a month later, I put all this stuff on it.
That's what I'm gonna do too.
Yeah.
I can't wait. But it is nice. Right now, it's like a perfect example of a Corvette, huh?
Yeah.
Like this how it came out the factory. I gotta show my dad. I think you like these cars, huh?
What the heck? Oh yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sick, huh?
It's a Father's Day gift.
I need to buy you a Corvette one day, Dad.
Nice.
Sick, huh?
Yeah. What color red is it?
I don't know, but it's a sick red.
Oh, it's like a Porsche Indian red, like my Porsche.
You like it, huh? Don't you like Corvettes?
I like Corvettes. I always wanted a Corvette when I was in high school.
Sick. Very low miles. Hey, look at it.
Oh my God.
It's brand new.
LS7.
Sick.
Wow.
It's crazy.
What are you gonna do to it?
I'm gonna do everything. I gotta buy my dad a Corvette, guys.
You like the red buckets. You always like red.
I know. I love the red car and red seats.
I'll asleep here.
It's honestly really comfortable.
It fits your dad perfect.
I know. We gotta let my dad drive it. Rev it? Is it loud?
See that intake? suck in.
I knew you actually could hear the intake. You want to try to drive it?
No, not right now. Hey,
You should. Just go around the block.
no, I had some adult beverages.
I gotta buy my dad a Corvette. He loves these cars. I knew it, bro. I was gonna be sad to just show it to him. I think it might be one of his favorite cars that I have. Look, look at him.
So wide.
He doesn't want to get out of it.
325.
Yeah, 325 stock. Isn't that crazy? I think he likes it, bro.
That'll be Father's Day gift.
I know. Honestly,
He's not getting out.
he's not getting out.
He's like, it's fine.
How sick would it be if I build this whole car, guys? I finish it, cam it, build the whole entire car, and then I gift it to my dad at the end. I think that'd be a cool gift, huh? We'll see. Or I'll buy him a C8, like a brand new one. I think that'll be cool too. But he loves it. Look, none of my cars, he just sits in it like this.
Very, it's awesome.
Is this your new favorite car of mine?
Your new favorite car.
Nice.
You like it, Mom?
I love it.
It's sick, right?
Yes.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Your new Corvette.
That'd be awesome.
Mom, I'm not gonna lie.
Fun driving.
Dad loved it, and I feel so bad. I wish I could just give it to him.
I know. I was
Should I?
gonna say your dad probably loved it because he's always wanted one.
Yeah, he's always wanted a Corvette, guys. I mean, you heard him. He said ever since high school he's wanted a Corvette. And I really, I want to give it to him so bad, but I also want to build it myself.
I know.
Maybe I'll build it and give it to him after it's done. That'll be cool.
Like I'm done with it.
Or get him a matching one. That'll be cool
yeah.
too. We'll see. I gotta buy my dad a car, guys. I think it'll be a sick video.
That would be. He'd love that.
I know.
For sure.
But you like it?
I love it.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
I can't wait to give you a ride in it when it's all done, Mom.
Oh, God.
It's gonna be ridiculous.
Before. I don't know about after.
Yeah, right now I don't think you would be scared of it. I think
No.
you would like it. It's
Right now,
quiet.
it would be super enjoyable.
No, wait till it's done, Mom. It's gonna be a freaking monster. It's gonna probably be like the loudest car I have,
Oh, God.
and the most obnoxious, rowdy car I have too.
Wow.
It's gonna be crazy.
I
Every time I
know.
come home, I come home with a new car, huh?
I know.
Guys, how funny is this, bro? I literally used my friend's photo of a Hellcat to make it look like this. So everyone thinks I'm getting a Hellcat now. Everyone believes it. I tricked everybody. You guys wanna see something cool? There's no way, bro. Am I a Corvette guy now? Or what? You wanna trade or what?
Congrats, perro.
I know, thank you, bro. It's crazy that the engine are in the back now, huh?
Oh, it's the mid-engine?
Yep.
He said that his is the best looking Corvette in all the generations.
I think it is too, bro.
Yeah.
That's like like when you think of Corvette, you think of that, I feel like.
That C6 U6 because it's like a white body.
But we gotta go to Corvette meet or something.
Want some shorts?
Yeah, bro. But he wanted to show up so we could put the two Corvettes together. And I think it looks hilarious, bro. It's really cool to see the two generations, though.
Wing is from the new 2025 models.
The models?
Yeah.
Nice.
Because the previous ones they're a bit higher.
You can afford it, or
I don't want the previous ones. Ugly.
you want to trade?
No. I don't want that broke. Yeah, 10 more horsepower than me.
There's no way this thing's faster than that.
It's the Z06, bro.
It might be.
Oh, because yours is a Z06.
Mine's are the Z.
Fool, your shit's broke, fool. You got the broke version. Just kidding. Should we race?
No.
Come
Race?
on. We have to try it one day.
Let's do it right now.
For watches?
Hybrid or what, bro?
Hybrid.
Before? No way. It was not like FMOs and shit.
Nothing, bro.
You can't open a valve?
It's
There's
so
batteries
quiet.
under here. It's hybrid.
Hybrid.
Who said the Zeo hybrid? No? It's not that fast.
A big good race.
Really?
Yeah.
No way, bro. It don't feel that fast to me.
Maybe on a roll it'll be a good race, but off a stop sign, nah, bro, I'll get you. It's torquey, bro.
It's torquey. It's not bad, bro.
It's not bad, bro. But imagine when you cam it, put the headers and shit.
I'm touching everything. Dude, this is gonna be probably the craziest car I have, watch.
Oh!
What?
The traction on?
Should I try it?
Bro.
I was gonna do it, but I was scared.
Bro, that's so fun.
Oh my
Watch out.
I haven't tried it in this car.
I won't do that, I think.
Yeah, it will.
I'll probably hit the curb.
Damn, I haven't been in this car in forever. And this clutch feels so stiff compared to the Corvette. Oh my God, dude. I got so used to driving the Corvette the past couple days. This feels like it's broken or something because of how stiff it is. Damn. And the Corvette clutch is very, very soft because it's completely stock, you know? But this clutch is heavy, bro. I forgot it was like this. I just got so used to it because it was my only manual car. It is the next day now. We're actually gonna go take the G80 around the block so David can start washing it. David's gonna get it all detailed because tomorrow we might have a little photo shoot with it. And then while he's washing it, I'm gonna come back, get the Corvette, and go shoot these reveal photos. Because I need a picture to reveal on Instagram with this still, which you guys will see on Instagram. So if you guys have not already, go like the new photo, the big reveal Corvette photo. David's gonna pull up right now and get this thing all clean because as you guys can tell, it's very dirty. Damn, I miss this car. I have some crazy cars, dude. I mean, I know some people, it might not be your cup of tea or you guys might build it differently, but come on, bro. Like, dude, look at my cars. Like a G80 M3 with the manual. It got all the carbon. Literally every piece of carbon that you can think of is on the car. The hood, the grills, these little grills too, the whole lip, the vents, the mirror caps, 2 side skirts, not 1 but 2. Crazy wheel setup. The new wheel setup is on the way. I know, guys, they're lagging, so wait on that. But yeah, carbon trunk, clear tails, full exhaust, diffuser. I mean, bro, the list goes on. This car is insane, dude. The matching fire extinguisher, which I never really show. But yeah, like, I am so blessed, dude. I have a crazy car collection. The G80 is on another level, and then we got the crazy R8, which in my opinion probably one of the best looking R8s in the world. Again, this is just my opinion. You guys could probably build it differently. Then we got the F80 CS slammed on TEs with the full roll cage in there. It's like I'm really playing a real life video game, bro. Like Need for Speed or Forza, when you have your garage and you do all the mods to them, you make them how you want. Like, I'm doing that in real life, and it's insane, bro. It's unreal. And now we got the C6 to add to the collection. I just feel like all the cars are so bad in their own ways. It sucks that in my apartment complex they're all parked in separate spots, so I don't really get to appreciate all of them together. It'd be cool to be able to come outside and see all the cars in the driveway, you know, together, because they're never parked together. They're always parked separate. So I feel like I don't really get to appreciate like all the cars at once, you know what I mean? It's hard to explain, but I feel like if they're all parked together, like, I'd really be able to appreciate them all and like realize how crazy my garage is, my little collection of cars, dude. This is a good time to talk about everybody who is in my comments saying Nick's buying a new car but still lives in an apartment. That's crazy. Like, bro, what? How could you even say that? Well, my apartment complex is beautiful, guys. I don't think you understand. It's like a very high-end apartment complex in LA. It's very expensive. And I know a lot of people are gonna say, why don't you put that money toward a house or something like that? Do you guys not understand? In LA, the houses are very, very expensive. Of course, I'm gonna buy a house one day, but I'm just waiting for the right time to buy one. Obviously, yes, I can move other places, but I like LA, you know what I mean? Obviously, there's some bad things about LA, but at the end of the day, I love where I live. Yes, the taxes suck. Everything kind of sucks. But at the same time, I really don't think I could see myself living anywhere else but here. And if I lived anywhere else, it'd be hard to make content by myself, I feel like. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know where this came from, where people think it's a bad thing to have an apartment and all my cars, or like putting me down for buying another car like the Corvette and saying I should have used that money elsewhere. You guys don't understand. That's reinvesting into my business. My business is buying cars. I have the luxury and the coolest job in the world where I'm able to buy a car and it's not a depreciating asset. Like, it actually helps the business, helps gain more money. Like, ever since buying the F80, I've already doubled the money on like the content, the merch I made with that car, and the car went up $15,000 in value from the price I got it at. So I know what I'm doing, guys. I'm not making dumb mistakes. These are all very smart investments that I'm trying to make. And at the end of the day, I'm extremely blessed to be able to buy a car as a business expense. Everybody's talking crap that, oh, Nick still lives in an apartment. I don't know where that became a bad thing. You know what's crazy too? In social media, you'll just never win. I was living at my parents' house and I had all the people commenting and haters commenting like, oh, you're buying all these cars but you live with your parents. So then I move out and get my own place, and now I hear, oh, you got an apartment, you didn't get a house. Like, you can never win with social media. That's what I realized. So if there's anything you can take from this, people are always gonna have something to say. People are always gonna talk. I think just live your life. It's your life. You know what you're doing. I think I'm doing pretty well for myself, even though I'm renting an apartment. When I'm pretty sure those people commenting about me buying a house probably don't even have a house for themselves. So it's crazy, bro. It's a crazy world that we live in. Just look into the cost of owning a house and like all the maintenance you gotta do and the property taxes every single year is probably just as much as I pay in this apartment a year. On top of the mortgage, like, yes, it goes toward like the equity and all that stuff, but when the time is right, I will buy a house. Enough ranting, bro. Let's go take these reveal photos. I'm out of breath, dude. That was a long walk. Did you guys see the whole walk I just did? I was trying to explain to them that I don't understand why people talk so much crap that we live in an apartment.
It's all about perspective. I think I've said this before, I swear.
What?
It's about perspective. Like, it's crazy that Nick has 4 cars, actually 5 including mine. And yeah, and a nice apartment. You guys don't understand, like, this is goals.
It'll never be good enough for some people.
Why don't you guys buy a house?
That's what I'm saying.
You guys show me your house and all your cars.
These things went fast, huh?
Right?
I gotta make some more, bro. Because you guys loved them. I don't even got that many. I think I got like 2 more of my personal ones, so I definitely gotta make some more. I feel like it'll be one of those things I could keep on the website forever, you know? Because, I mean, obviously they don't last forever. You always gotta re-up your air freshener, so I might make some more, guys, and just leave them on the site.
It smells so good.
It smells
like cologne.
Dude, what the heck? I forgot how good that smells. All right, the photos are done. If you guys want to see them, go check out my Instagram right now. But just did the reveal photos with the Corvette. We gotta have a proper photo shoot soon with like a photographer and stuff. But I gotta add some mods to it because right now it's too stock. Kind of too stock for photos, bro. But guess what? I'm gonna give you guys a little hint. We may or may not have already got some new wheels for the car. I know I said I'm gonna take it slow. I'm gonna try to take this build slower than usual. I always build cars within like a month. I speed through them, bro. But I'm not gonna lie, I think we might have got some new wheels already on the way. I just gotta go pick them up. I just want to modify it already. I don't want it to look stock. Even though some guys would probably dream of owning this car in this condition, like bone stock, straight off the showroom, could sit in a Corvette museum. It's just not me, guys, you know? We gotta modify it. Yeah, look, David just washed the G80. It's all clean. Sheesh.
We're gonna straight up to drift the Corvette.
No, don't drift it, bro.
Oh.
It low-key kind of has some power, dude.
Yeah.
He was gonna take it back to the apartment. Wish us luck. Don't crash it.
Not drifted right now.
No, bro, don't drift it.
Right now, I know what you mean.
What?
It feels raw.
It does, huh?
Yeah, like it's kind of like if you don't know stick, this is for sure. This will be harder for sure than.
I know. It's pretty sick though, huh?
Yeah.
It feels old though, you can't lie.
Yeah, it's wrong. I wanted to swing that right there in that corner.
Now you gotta drive it one day and step on it.
Alright, then I'm out of here.
Thank you, boss.
Hey, did it come out good?
Yeah, look at it.
For nothing. I couldn't even see it.
It's kind of the first time getting the cars together, guys. The G80 and the Corvette. Look at that.
You got European, then you got American muscle.
People were dying at you like doing the chopping. Remember?
That's what it's gonna be. That's how it's gonna be.
I know, bro.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.